your engine goes through a lot: heat, pressure, and the wear of daily driving. But here's the real question: are you giving it the protection it deserves? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 synthetic oils that don't just keep your engine running, they keep it running stronger, longer. Whether you're a highway cruiser, city commuter, or a hands-on garage expert, the right oil can transform your engine's performance. We've analyzed the biggest brands, tested their durability, chemistry, and how they actually perform inside real engines. So stick around, because the right oil choice today could be the difference between average performance and peak efficiency. And hey, if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that to stay ahead with the best car care tips and product reviews. Product number 1. Mobil 1 High Mileage 5W30. Is your car getting a bit old, but you still love it like the first day? Then this motor oil might be the perfect gift for it. We're reviewing a trusted and proven choice: Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W30. If you want to keep your high mileage engine running like new, this is one of the best options out there. Specially formulated for vehicles with over 75,000 miles, this oil helps reduce leaks and oil burn-off, common issues in aging engines. Its full synthetic formula offers excellent wear protection, reduces sludge buildup, and keeps your engine clean and efficient. With a 5W30 viscosity, it performs well in both hot and cold weather. Plus, the 5-quart bottle gives great value for money. If you're driving an older car and want to keep it going strong, Mobil 1 High Mileage 5W30 is a smart, long-lasting investment. It protects your engine, boosts performance, and helps extend its life. Drop a comment below and tell us, what motor oil do you trust for your car? Product number 2. Amsoil Signature Series 0W20. If you truly care about your car's engine health, then Amsoil Signature Series 0W20 might just be the perfect motor oil for you. This full synthetic motor oil provides top-tier protection, lasting up to 25,000 miles. That means fewer oil changes, less hassle, and more savings in the long run. Whether you're dealing with extreme heat or freezing cold, its 0W20 viscosity ensures smooth, efficient engine performance in any condition. It also prevents sludge buildup, keeping your engine cleaner and running stronger for longer. With advanced LSPI protection, it's ideal for today's high-performance engines. So whether you're driving a regular sedan or a powerful machine, Amsoil delivers reliable, smooth performance every time, and the gallon-sized container gives you more oil per purchase, making it a smart, cost-effective option for long-term use. If you want long-lasting engine protection, improved performance, and to save both time and money, Amsoil Signature Series 0W20 is a choice you won't regret. Product number 3. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum 5W20. I'm really excited about this product, because now we're going to take a look at the Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic 5W20 Motor Oil, a motor oil that promises to deliver top-notch performance and protection for your car's engine. If you want your engine to stay protected, smooth, and running efficiently, this oil might just be the ideal choice for you. But is it really the right oil for your vehicle? Let's dive deeper to understand why this product is so popular and why so many car owners are choosing it. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum 5W20 is a full synthetic motor oil that provides long-lasting protection and enhanced performance for your engine. Its 5W20 viscosity ensures reliable performance in both hot and cold weather, offering maximum protection for your engine. It prevents sludge buildup, keeping your engine clean and boosting its lifespan. It reduces oil burn-off and minimizes friction, resulting in better fuel economy and smoother engine operation. Overall, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum 5W20 is the perfect choice for your car's engine. It not only ensures superior protection but also improves performance and provides cost-effective use. If you want your engine to remain strong and reliable for the long run, this oil should definitely be your top choice. Product number 4. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic 5W20. Here's another great motor oil review: the Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 5W20 Motor Oil. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance oil for your truck, this could be the one for you. Let's dive in and see why Valvoline is a top contender when it comes to engine protection. The Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic 5W20 Motor Oil is designed to provide excellent protection for both trucks and cars. With its 5W20 viscosity, this oil ensures optimal performance in all weather conditions, providing smooth operation in both cold starts and high temperatures. One of the standout features is its flash point of 430 degrees Fahrenheit, which means it can withstand extreme heat without breaking down, ensuring your engine stays protected during tough driving conditions. This motor oil also offers superior protection against sludge and wear, helping your engine run cleaner for longer and reducing the need for frequent oil changes. It's perfect for keeping your engine running efficiently, which can save you time and money on maintenance in the long run. Overall, the Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 5W20 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to keep their truck running smoothly and efficiently. It provides excellent protection against heat, wear, and sludge buildup, making it a reliable option for long-term engine care. Highly recommended for anyone looking to maximize engine performance and protection. Product number 5, Royal Purple 515305W30. Finally, on our list is a high-performance synthetic motor oil that's a favorite among professionals and car enthusiasts alike, Royal Purple 51530SAE5W30. If you're looking to give your engine top-tier protection and performance, this oil might be the perfect match. Let's take a closer look at what makes it stand out from the rest. Royal Purple 51530 is a premium full synthetic motor oil designed to deliver advanced protection and performance. Its 5W30 viscosity ensures smooth operation in both cold starts and high temperatures, keeping your engine running efficiently in all conditions. It's API licensed and formulated to industry standards, helping reduce engine wear, prevent sludge buildup, and keep your engine clean and healthy. One of its key strengths is reducing friction, which boosts fuel efficiency and improves engine performance over time. Plus, its high heat resistance makes it reliable even under tough driving conditions. Royal Purple 51530SAE5W30 is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants long-lasting engine protection and consistent performance. If you don't want to compromise on your engine's health, this oil definitely deserves a spot on your list.
Here are our top 5 picks, carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.